be doing a pizza. Yes, it actually is one of the first times I've been working with a store-bought or any type of pizza dough. I normally just buy one of those prepaid ones, like just with cheese, and then I continue to just add our toppings to it and put it in the oven. But I wanted to do something different this time. So what I have here is some pureed tomatoes. You can also do a tomato sauce. And I'm going to season that with some Italian seasoning. Again, you want to season this to taste. here. I'm gonna try to get some assistance from Corey on this. Hold the whole pan, like at an angle towards this, like downward. And from this, y'all. Oof. Oh no!
What happened? You ruined the pizza. You ruined the pizza. Mommy, you ruined the pizza.
Possibly, but you know, Mommy gonna try to.
No!
Mommy's gonna try to save it.
You be quiet, right?
So y'all see, honey.
We got to go.
Y'all twins, y'all stop. No need to be ugly. All right, y'all. So that wasn't the prettiest transition, but I mean, we got it over here, did we not? We got it moved. So I don't know what to tell y'all, cause I'm not Laura Vitale, and she was just an expert at this. This is the best we can do. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy in the oven at 400 degrees. All right, you all, so this is my lopsided pizza. However, I think it looks great. And I put it on 475 degrees for the last 5 minutes. I'm always changing the temperature at the end if I feel like something isn't cooking properly or if it needs to be brought up to temperature. So that's exactly what I did. I brought it on up to temperature and it's very crispy underneath. I wish I could show you guys. Woo! No! But as you can see, it's still juicy in the middle and it's very, very crispy on the bottom and on the outside. So I would say that this is a success, even though we had some issues and technical difficulties. And I also purchased some Parmigiano Reggiano to sprinkle on top of my pizza, and I also have some crushed red pepper flakes, and that'll help spice this up a little bit. I hope you all try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments.